Hello and welcome back to another mental health adventure. Today I'm here in Brentwood, as you can see from the previous clip, and I'm on the hunt for a mini waterfall. Now I know what you're thinking, where in Brentwood is there a mini waterfall? It just came up on my map. I'll show you in the next clip on my phone. It came up on the map and I thought, I'm not going to look at no pictures of this place. I'm just going to head to it, see what it's like. It goes through some beautiful country park, Thorndon country park and stuff like that. So it'd be a nice walk. So I thought that's part of the adventure, right? A bit of discovery, see what's down there. In my head I'm thinking it's probably going to be a puddle rather than Niagara Falls, right? But you never know, you might get a little gem, a little surprise. So so we're going to pop on, we're going to crack on, and we're going to hunt down this waterfall, mini waterfall. Let's go. So there you go, Thorndon mini waterfall. It's going to take me about an hour and a half to get there. So if you've been there before, let me know in the comments, but you'll see what it's like when I get there. Let's go. Back in my happy place now, in the wilderness. I know it's only been going the walk for the past sort of 15 minutes I've been on it since the station, and it's an amazing spot so far. I've never been here before. King George Fields, I think, or park, and then we're going into Thorndon Country Park. So gotta love a country park, right? Have you been here before? Pop it in the comments. Could this water source be the one that takes me to the amazing waterfall? So I just bumped into a few of the, I think, volunteers that are helping trim back some of the trees and stuff like that. And I was getting a bit disheartened with the people around here for a moment. I said hello to two people, completely ignored me. What liberty. But these guys, I had a good chat with them. They're doing some really, really good work. So we're still in, I think, King George's Field or Park, I think. But we're heading towards Thorndon Country Park now as well. But we've got Essex Wildlife Trust somewhere down here somewhere, and I'm hoping there's maybe like a little calf or something attached to it, so I can get a bit of sustenance. I've got my water, but I need a bit of caffeine and maybe something to eat quick. Hope you enjoyed it so far. It's a beautiful, beautiful park. I would definitely recommend coming down here if you live in this area or close enough to it. So let's push on and hope there's a calf down here. Let's go. Wow. For sale as well. Wow. Imagine living in a massive country park. Be a bit spooky at night maybe, but having all this as your garden basically is different level rich, isn't it really? but yeah, maybe one day, you never know. I'll talk to Soph about it, and we could try and move into Thorndon Country Park. We'll see if we can afford it. Might be able to get 2, maybe. So yeah, so we're going to head to the cafe now quickly, get a coffee, see what I've got in there, and then we're going to push on to the amazing Brentwood version of Niagara Falls. I'm promising you that. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Spoke to the nice lady in the cafe. Yeah, they've got a Gruffalo trail as well in Thorndon Park. So bring the little ones down there. Lovely little cafe. Had a cheese and ham toasty. Got myself some caffeine on the go and a pack of Maltesers. So that will give me enough sustenance to get to the end of this mission today, to West Thorndon. So yeah, I'm ready to go now. Looked at the map. It's not far before we see the waterfall, guys. It's not far. Yeah, but I definitely recommend coming in down this neck of the woods. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful space to walk if you live locally, or if you want to come from London. You know what I mean? I got in on the Elizabeth line to Brentwood, and it's a 10-minute walk from there to start the first part of the walk to that amazing park. So yeah, let's push on now. Let's go. Don't mess around with the timber. Yuck. I tell you what, these diggers have really made a mess of this path. It's a little bit treacherous, but we're not too far now. But another observation, as you've probably seen as well, loads of benches. Usually I go on walks where there's not a bench for miles in between. But you've got plenty of good spots to sit down, have a rest, have a cup of tea if you bought a flask, or a nice little picnic maybe. But yeah, plenty of rest spots on this route. So yeah, we're not too far away now, probably about 15-20 minutes I think. But be interesting to see what this path is like a little bit further on, because now I can see all the diggers just in front of me, so they're probably making a big old mess. So let's go, let's check it out. I was really hoping they would have something on here about the mini waterfall, but there isn't anything. So I've got to push on further down now and try and find it. Got it wrong, it's actually this way. So let's check it out. But you can see what was making all of that mess down there. The trainers ain't too bad actually. They're trail running trainers anyway, so they've got a good amount of grip, etc. on them. So they're built for this. The only thing is they're not waterproof. Crazy, isn't it? I think trail running trainers got to be waterproof, right? Yeah, good job I looked at the map, because I would have gone the wrong way. It's actually by where that sign was, just to the left, and straight on down this way. So can I hear a waterfall? Nah, I can't hear one yet. So yeah, it might be living up to its name as a mini waterfall. So yeah, let's go and let's see if we can find it. Let's go. So it turns out I wasn't going the wrong way. If you look at the phone, it's over there, not bad where I've just come from. So moral to that story there is give your phone a little bit of time to orientate where it's actually pointing to in terms of the direction. Yeah, so I wasn't going the right way originally, so I should have trusted my gut. But yeah, onwards we go. Right, we are super close and I can't even hear it. This will be interesting. Right, we're literally 2 minutes away from this waterfall and I can't hear anything. So has it been worth it? This is the question. You're about to find out. So this is where it's coming from. I don't think that's it. So we're going to try and see if it's coming out down that side there. And there it is, I think, guys. The mini waterfall. It's draining through there. And it goes down there. So it's got a little bit further. See if we can see any more. The water is gushing down. I don't want to break my legs going through here, but let's push on. But this is nice and slippery all the way through. I'm in the bush at the minute, alongside it. Thorn bushes along there, thorn bushes along there. Lovely, wet, slippery trail. There it is, guys. The amazing mini waterfall. I promised you. Look, it's raging. Goes all the way along and down there. So that there is the Thorndon mini waterfall. Was it worth it? It's always worth it heading out, right? You know, was I expecting Niagara Falls? Obviously, I promised you that, but I wanted to keep you tuned in. But it was all part of the adventure today, right? To discover something completely new. And yeah, you can imagine when there's been a lot of rainfall, even more than there's been recently, that's probably gushing down. That looks really good. But today, unfortunately, it's not looking as glamorous as it probably could be. But yeah, I'm not going to go back up the way I came. I'm going to just go through here a little bit. And see if we can head to West Thorndon station, and that'll be where the adventure ends today. But there's still a little bit more. Obviously, we've got to get to there. I think it'll be the best part of half an hour. So yeah, so the mission, first part of it, has been accomplished. Now to complete it, we need to get to the train station. So let's go. I reckon that's where the swamp monster lives. in there somewhere at night. He comes out to eat. Yeah. So we've come away from the actual path, which is going back up there and sort of doing a big loop. And obviously people have been through here to see what's on the other side of this. I'm not going to get in trouble by the farmer. Let's try it. Just never know with these types of paths. Obviously people have created some sort of shortcut through here, but you never know whether the farmer's going to come running out of somewhere and have the hump with you for being on his field. So just got to keep my eyes peeled, but it looks all right. Let's push on. Just put me right alongside the motorway, and I can see the services over here. So we need to get on the other side. Thorndon. The station road can only mean one thing, right? So Google Maps is saying 17 minutes to the train station here at West Thorndon, but I've got like 8 minutes to get there, so I'm hoping that there's a delay on the train. I'd have to wait an extra half an hour, which isn't the end of the world, but I like to set myself a little challenge. So we're adjacent to the railway line along there, so let's push on and see if we can get there in time. Let's go. So we've made it to West Thorndon train station from Brentwood via the country park and the amazing Essex waterfall. It is the Thorndon mini waterfall. It was good. Although yeah, at the end of it you'd want to see an amazing bit of scenery or something like that, you know. But it's the journey, right? So we made it here. We've got a few miles under our belt. Went to some new places I've never been before, and some beautiful country park, and spoke to some nice people as well along the way. So that's what it's all about, right? But yeah, it's really, really good. Hope you enjoyed it. I did miss my train, so I've got to wait 20 minutes for the next one, which isn't the end of the world. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And if you can, please, can you subscribe? It's free. Only takes 2 seconds to do. give a comment if you enjoyed the video, or if you've done it before, or if you enjoyed the sight of the waterfall. And yeah, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share, all that malarkey, and I'd really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching.